Hello there. Welcome to our Business Ideas series, a place where we get to explore business ideas you've probably never thought of. Most people are becoming conscious of their health. There's a current rave for healthy living and healthy eating, and this is one of the reasons why vegan businesses have gained the spotlight in recent years. In today's episode of our Business Ideas series, we will be exploring the vegan food truck business. As always, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to Business Ideas 365, and click on the notification bell for more amazing business ideas. Let's get it on. Do you know that the plant-based food market grew by 20% in the USA in 2018 and is projected to grow by 9.6% between 2019 and 2025? Furthermore, as COVID-19 upends the traditional meat supply chain, food giants and startups are working to navigate to a future where protein isn't dominated by conventional meat sources but by healthy, plant-based substitutes that will leave everyone satisfied. If you've ever been to a food festival or major event, you'd agree that finding vegan food can be difficult. While there are a sizable number of people who love to eat healthy, most vendors don't bend in that direction. This makes starting a vegan food truck business a potentially profitable business. These are some of the most important points you need to consider before starting your business. Number 1. Get licensed. When it comes to food and what goes into the human body, things can go south really quickly. To avoid a clash with the local authorities and prevent your business from becoming closed down or fined, you should obtain all the necessary licenses before you think of starting. Different cities have laws and regulations. They may include permits like health department certifications, truck permits, and parking restrictions. Ensure that you obtain all these. Do not put the cart before the horse. Contact your local government authority to be sure you are on the right track. Number 2. Get a truck. The era of ugly trucks supplying greasy and calorie-filled food is gone. Now trucks are used to supply healthy meals at festivals and other events that a vegan store cannot be relocated to. Moreover, owning a truck is friendly, mobile, and less daunting than having a regular shop that requires rent. If you're working with a tight budget, you should be able to find a convenient truck for about $2,000, which is much more affordable than starting with a $100,000 truck. Don't be limited or afraid. Your vegan food business will trend when you bring your food to where hungry people gather. If you take up this idea, you will realize that many non-vegetarians also enjoy vegetarian food. Hence, the opportunities to turn your quest for success into salad greens with a vegetarian food truck are obvious. To quickly grab the attention of hungry passers-by, don't forget to brand your truck in attractive colors. Number 3. Be clear about your menu. One of the recipes for success in this business is trust. Be clear and specific about what you're offering to customers. This is because many vegans follow a strict dietary regimen. If you specify that your food is organic, all products used must be certified organic. And using a vegetable oil that isn't certified organic in salad dressing isn't acceptable. If your menu doesn't explain your definition of vegetarian, you'll lose customers and sales because they would not trust you. Number 4. Carve a niche and explore it. You cannot afford to be a jack of all vegan trends and foods. Picking a niche and sticking with it is one of the recipes for success in this business. Don't start out trying to offer everything to everyone. You will quickly burn yourself out and waste money. Start by researching what others are offering and then see how you can modify or improve on it. Once you've carved a niche for yourself, you can then afford to try out new menu listings. Number 5. Get insurance for your business. A major damage to your food truck that is not covered by insurance can quickly send you out of business. You don't want this to happen. Talk with an insurance agent and describe in exact details the purpose that your truck will serve. There are insurance packages out there that have been tailored to cover your kind of business. Number 6. Find a parking space. Food trucks are large and they occupy space. If you plan to operate a full-sized vehicle, you should consider safe locations where you can park your mobile shop on wheels. Some health vendors recommend that vegan food vehicles should park only in recommended facilities with refrigeration and electricity. Whatever you do, just be sure you have a legal and safe place to keep your truck. Number 7. Marketing. The vegan truck business is not just about setting up your vehicle in crowded facilities during events. It is way beyond that. You can as well service dedicated events and corporate functions that require vegan meals. Vegetarians around the areas where you station your food truck are also a built-in target market. Nonetheless, your potential customer needs to know what you offer. Signage on your truck is a great method to announce what you sell. It's a digital age, so being visible on the internet should bring in some customers. You can also offer incentives to first-time customers, give out free samples the first time you park your truck in a new location. Encourage sign-ups to your emails list and social media accounts. Don't be shy or reluctant to tell people about what you do. You can also tweet and update your Facebook friends and groups about where and when your truck will be parked and what the vegan special for the day, week, or month is. Your options are limitless. A food truck with a fully plant-based food menu could be very successful if you put in the effort.